Talk about this cool little quality systems database. It's got really everything that you're going to need to get set up with a basic quality system. So let's just start clicking through stuff. An MRV ticket, control of non-conforming product is essential. If you've got an output that didn't meet requirements, use this little format to track and trend everything that's going on. Um, Basic information up top when it's found, and then fill out the rest of it when you've got your solutions. So save, print, it's all right there. The database will store the info for you. The corrective actions list. Here we see a test part. So as we're running through this, you can search and filter by the ID for the system. You can review the corrective action, get that all updated. Know what changes were updated. So track, is this just a training solution? Was it an internal process change? All that kind of stuff. You've got your long-term, short-term communication activities, very key. Set up your team. It kind of follows a really basic kind of 8D kind of process, just to keep everything kind of in line there. Also has a fishbone option. You just assign that to your number, your corrective action number. You can identify all of it here. So pretty fun for having a quick little Ishikawa diagram in there. We're going to head to close these out here. You can have a repair work order. Real simple. That's really nothing more than you need. You do have the ability to add a whole bunch of assets in here, and those will just be real quick clicks for everybody to fill this out. You can get it sent, print it out. You can print it. You can email it to whoever your maintenance team might be. Get that all taken care of. Training records. You just can type in somebody's name right here. We're just going to leave it blank because there's actually no data in here. And then it'll tell you their entire training history according to our training tools. So if we come into our enter training record, let's see that one here. We're going to enter a password. Why don't we pause that just real quick? All right. So just in case, you don't want everybody to have the password to get into these things. But real easy to use for the training record site itself. You have your course name, who trained it, who is it required for, and then build your participants out here. So, and then check this out. So to better keep these records, not all confined to one database, which may over time be a little bulky if you were saving all of your records in it. This system, create a button, and it will make the training folder for you wherever you set it to. And there'll be a video for how to update that little macro on your own. But these macros exist kind of all over the place, and that's a really neat tool. That way you've got all of your records readily accessible right on your drive, wherever you tell this thing to open and save to. So that little button creates the shared folder, gives it a name. It'll match whatever your course name is here. And then once that course name is created, it will actually open just that course name all the time. So if you've got a continuous one like operator training course, then you can just come here, click, drag your scans in there, call it a day. Document control. You know what? Let me do this again. So for document control, we are definitely similar to the corrective action. All of these will have a list of everything that's been going on. You can filter it by the ID, then remove your filter, and there's a little edit button that'll pop up right here as well. But the important piece is this actual record right in here. So we have our document name, number, which owns this document, what sort of thing is it here, current rev level, and then we've got a full history that'll pull up for your document just to make sure that one, they've been marked as down rev when they're supposed to be, when they were launched, all that kind of stuff. So these are all right here, ready to go for you. There's calibration as well. Um, Pretty nice little tool here. Everything can have its own little gauge record for that. Um, Maintenance, same sort of stuff. You'll have your full list of assets for what's going on here. So if we click add assets, we're slowing down. All right, so we're going to make this a little quicker. Let's see here. So we've got our reports, whole host of reporting options. You can export all of the tables so you can do your own Excel stuff, pre-made items, just quick queries to make sure that you can understand at a quick glance without having to apply filters and all that on your own, all right here. So those are the big ones. That's the system. It's a real good way. Get your document control under control, have a spot for all of your non-conforming materials, keep a corrective action going, have a training system all set up, repairs, maintenance, all of it right there for you, in a quick, easy tool that you do have the full ability to change, update, and alter to meet your own requirements as well. So hope you like it. Do check it out, and let us know any feedback. We can make updates to this as it is in use. So that will do it for today. Thanks for watching the video.